Do you know that you can use the command find to find some files with some specific permissions? If this is a new topic for you, this is the right video. This video is part of a series called How To, and the main idea here is to share real quick answer for the questions that we have in our daily basis. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's jump to the terminal. To start, let's take a look on this piece at the bottom. And then we can see we are in the folder /home/Sally. And here we can see some different files with some different permissions. So file exec all. We can see that we have execution to owner, group, and other. In this case, file exec group. I put like read, write, and execution to all of them, but our main goal here is to check executable file, okay? So we can see that this one has execution or X to everyone. This one, execution for group. And then there you go. We have execution in the middle. Execution for other. And then we can see over here, execution for other. And then file exec owner, execution for owner. Again, feel free to disconsider read and write. Our main point here is execution, is the X. Okay, so those are the files, and we have our path, Rom Sally. I would like to get some information using find. If you are not familiar with find, feel free to take a look on this amazing tool. Find is very powerful. Find will allow you to do a lot of amazing things. I really recommend you to play with find, but let me show some stuff. Let's start by this one. So we have the command find. I'm passing the path that I would like to search, will be on home. Then I have my parameter or my flag -perm. And then I can see UGO. I remember long ago when I start with Unix, and back in 1996, maybe. Yeah, someone told me, hey, a nice way to remember this is call your friend Hugo. So user, group, other. Anyway, let's take a look on this. We have our friend Hugo. So user, group, or other. And then we have X to all of them. And we are filtering by the type of file. So, okay, how this works. First, let's understand this one, the parameter -perm. So again, man find. I would like to search by perm. And then check this out. We have the perm and then all the description. I'm not gonna read the description to you guys. I'm lazy, but I really recommend you to do this. I did this multiple times during my lifetime. One attention point that I would like to get you here is -mode or /mode. And you see the difference in a few. Let's do this. I'm not gonna give you the answer. And then we will realize and figure this out together. This one. Let me find from our home directory all the files with the permission. I'm using the /, and then I would like to see user X, group X, or other X. And the type will be file. I don't care about directories. So check this out. It seems that I'm getting this one, owner. So if we take a look on owner, the X is just for owner. So for the user, this is working. But for the group is also matching. Like I can see the group here. This is also matching. So this is getting everyone. Which means, okay, when I use /, doesn't matter if I'm getting user or group or other. If I have a match for any of them, then there you go. I will have this information on my output. Now, let's change our / for dash. Look at that beauty, huh? Totally deserves your subscription. What you tell? So this one is any of them, user X or group X or other X. So will not be valid for all of them, but one of them should match. And in this case, I'm just saying, hey, all of them has to match. So my user has to be X, my group has to be X, my other has to be X. And then the only one which is matching is this one. File exec all, because I have X for other, X for group, and X for owner. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's take a look on another example. I have my user X. Look at that beauty. This one is matching because this has X to all of them. And the next one is exec owner because we have exec owner just for user. If we change this U for group, check this out. Once again, we have all because all has X to everyone. And the next one is exec group. And let's take a look on exec group. This one, X just for the group. And finally, I'm not cleaning the screen on purpose, just then we can see all of them. Let's use the other and check this out. We have exec all to everyone. This is matching. And other, this is the file. And we can see the X over here. Hey Wally, can you give me one example? Like I would like to see one scenario where only other has the execution permission. And then there you go. This is one specific scenario. Specifically for security stuff, if I'm looking for some files that is open to everyone, or maybe read or write or this kind of stuff. And when using slash, I can play with the permissions. And then doesn't matter if this is a user or group or other, I would like to match them. Instead, I do one query for user, one query for group, and one query for other. I can get all of them independent of which one has the permission because I would like to get this report, the complete report about those permissions. So again, this is pretty useful, pretty handful, and definitely can help you to put your script beauty in a way that you will master. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if this has helped you somehow, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is the way that I can see that this kind of content is helping you guys or helping somewhere out there. And definitely I will keep creating content like this. Don't forget to join us in our Discord channel. Also, let me know in the comments if there is any question or doubt that you do have and that you like to see here in our how-to series. All right, I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye.